my god, this is so cute. हंसों का जोड़ा इतना प्यारा से तेज रहा है लोग चिक 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 कर. Hello and Tashdilik everyone. So I'm here at Sangti. Yeah. Okay, so Sangti comes under Dirang only, and it's 10 kilometers from Dirang, and it's very beautiful. The place is very beautiful, and it's very good for camping and all. So this is a very sudden trip. Yeah, my friend just called me in the morning and she was like she wanted to go here, so that's why we came here. I always wanted to make vlog of this place because I wanted to show you guys this place is very beautiful, but I couldn't do it. But finally today I'm here, so let's see. Okay, so here they are. Kenny, say hi.
Hi.
नदी इतना सुंदर है ना ये जगह जो. Okay, so this place here is the main camping spot of Sangti. The place is very beautiful. One can stay here and enjoy the view. So we are here for very short period, so we are going back. But before going back, we want to ask some queries about this camp, which might be helpful to you guys. So luckily we
यहाँ
have
रहने
one
के लिए पर नाइट 3000 है ना दी. ओके, 2 आदमी रह सकते हैं.
2 आदमी के लिए.
ओ, खाना पीना भी फ्री है. ओ सॉरी, फ्री नहीं, खाना पीना चार्जेस लगेगा, पर यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है ना. ओ ठीक है.
मतलब आपका अलग से होगा.
हाँ हाँ.
तो खाना पीना का.
ओ, तो आप थोड़ा हमको दिखा सकेगा रूम ऐसे एक बार.
हाँ,
चलिए. कोई है यहाँ पे अभी?
अभी तो नहीं है.
टूरिस्ट सबसे मतलब बेस्ट सीजन कौन सा? बेस्ट सीजन कौन सा होता है सबसे? ये सीजन अभी ना. ओके, विंटर सीजन ना मतलब. ओके. इट्स नाइस. टेबल चेयर भी है यहाँ पे, एंड देयर इज वन अलमीरा आल्सो. और यहाँ पे वॉशरूम भी है. Okay, so it seems like it's the best season. Winter is best season to visit this place, and it's 3000 per night for 2 person. Yeah. ठीक है दी, thank you. Okay, so now we are going back from here and we'll go sheep farm, I guess. See ya. So finally we are here at the very famous spot of Dirang. We are here in sheep farm. Okay, so I'm from Dirang only, but I have never been here. So today I'm very happy. And can I go? And also I met my friend after a long time, so it's like double happy for me. So you guys can see the place. Oh my god, it's very beautiful. Candy, how are you feeling? Good, okay. Did you like the place? Okay. I wish we can see some sheep also. This place is very large and it's very beautiful. If you ever get a chance to visit Dirang, then never miss out to visit this place, Sangti village, because it's very beautiful. You guys can see the place. It's very beautiful, and the place that I have shown before, that was also very beautiful. The landscape, everything is so beautiful. And plus the specialty of this place is like the migrated bird, black neck.
कर्मा
monastery, and I've already shown this monastery in my previous video. So that's all about my today's video. Bye bye. I hope you guys liked it. I didn't show it nicely, I know, but if I get a chance, then I'll go again maybe some other day in Sangti, and then I will show it more nicely, and then we'll explain about the place more. So that's all about today's video. Bye bye. Kenny, so bye. Bye. Okay, so bye.